Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Ek hoop dit gaan sommer baie goed met julle almal. I hope it's going good with all of you and that you are all doing well. Welkom by ons graad 1 Afrikaanse spelles. Welcome to our grade 1 Afrikaans spelling lesson. Vandag gaan ons so bietjie meer leer oor die klank. Today we are going to learn a little bit more about the sound. Ons gaan na prentjies kyk, ons gaan leer hoe om elke woord te klank. Ons gaan ook kyk hoe om die woordjie te sê en wat dit beteken in Engels. We are going to look at a couple of different pictures. We are going to learn how to spell each word. And we're also going to find out what each word means in English. Ek hoop julle is gereed en opgewonde. I hope you're ready and very excited. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Ons eerste woord is die woord pit. Our first word is the word pit. Pit beteken pit of seed in Engels. Pit means pit or seed in English. Kom ons klank die woord saam. Let's spell the word together. P, a, t, pit. Again, p, a, t, pit. Baie mooi maatjies. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer saam. Let's say the word one more time together. Pit. Fantastiese werk maatjies. Fantastic work boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord vis. This is the word vis. Vis beteken fish in Engels. Vis means fish in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Vis. Kom ons klank die woord. Let's spell the word. F, vis. Again. F, vis. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer saam. Let's say the word one more time together. Vis. Super duper werk maatjies. Super duper work boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord lip. This is the word lip. Lip beteken lip in Engels. Lip means lip in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Lip. Kom ons klank die woord. Let's spell the word. L, a, p, lip. Again. L, a, p, lip. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer saam. Let's say the word one more time together. Lip. Baie mooi maatjies. Fantastiese werk. Well done boys and girls. Fantastic work. Kom ons kyk na die volgende een. Let's have a look at the next one. Hierdie is die woord klip. This is the word klip. Klip beteken stone in Engels. Klip means stone in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Klip. Kom ons klank die woord. Let's spell the word. K, L, A, P. Klip. Again. K, L, A, P. Klip. Kom ons sê die woord nog een keer saam. Let's say the word one more time together. Klip. Woohoo! Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Hierdie is die woord sit. This is the word sit. Sit beteken sit in Engels. Sit means sit in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Sit. Kom ons klank die woord. Let's spell the word. S-I-T. Sit. Again. S-I-T. Sit. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done, boys and girls. Ek is baie trots op elkeen van julle. I am very proud of each and every one of you. Kom ons kyk nou na 'n paar verskillende sinne wat van hierdie woorde gebruik. Let's have a look at a couple of different sentences that use some of these words. Luister mooi. Listen carefully. Die put is klein. Again, die put is klein. This means the seed is small. Kom ons kyk na nog ene. Let's have a look at another one. Die vis swem. Again, die vis swem. This means the fish swims. Sjoemaatjies, ons het nou na 'n paar verskillende klankwoordjies gekyk. Ons het gekyk en geleer hoe om hulle te klank, hoe om hulle te lees en wat elkeen beteken in Engels. Wow, boys and girls, we just looked at a couple of different sound words. We learned how to spell each word, how to say and read them, and we also learned what each one means in English. Listen carefully. Luister mooi. Put, vis, lip, klip, sit. Again, put, vis, lip, klip, sit. Okay, maatjies, ek gaan dit nou bietjie stadiger sê, sodat jy die woordjie na my kan sê. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to say the word slowly so that you can try and repeat the word after me. Put, vis, lip, klip, sit. Again, put, vis, lip, klip en sit. Baie mooi maatjies, ek is trots op elkeen van julle. Well done, boys and girls. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Baie dankie dat julle saam met my geleer het. Thank you for learning with me. Tot volgende keer. Sien julle weer. Until next time. See you again. Totsiens maatjies. Goodbye, boys and girls.